If you want to change your Google Chrome background on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize your Chrome new tab page and set a background image in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your browser feel more personal, more organized, and a little more fun every time you open a new tab. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and start by opening a new tab. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top or by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. Once the new tab page loads, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the Customize Chrome button. This usually looks like a small pencil icon, and it opens up the Chrome customization menu. Inside the menu, you'll see different options for changing the look and feel of your browser. Click on Change Theme. This is where you can adjust the appearance of your Chrome background, colors, and overall style. After that, choose Upload an Image. This option lets you use your own photo or picture instead of one of the default Chrome backgrounds. Now browse through your files and select the image you want to use as your background. You can choose a wallpaper, a favorite photo, or any image saved on your computer that looks good on the Chrome new tab page. Once you've selected your image, click Open to save it. Chrome will automatically apply the new background, and you should see your new tab page updated right away. If you want to make it even cleaner, you can go back into the customization settings later and try different images until you find the perfect look. And that's it. Your Google Chrome background on PC has been changed successfully. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your browser feels every day. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.